buy gems in Brawl Star without Brawl Pass. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy gems in your Brawl Star account without using your Brawl Passes. So in order to buy gems in your Brawl Star account, all you have to do is just simply click on the shop icon from the left hand side of the screen in your mobile app, and after that you will see the first option that you see is the Brawl Pass. As you can see that each Brawl Pass is starting from $5.99. Since you don't want to use Brawl Passes in order to buy your gems, just simply scroll away from the screen, and at the end of the screen you will be able to see gem packs that are available in your Brawl Star account as of now. So in order to buy gems in your Brawl Star account without using Brawl Passes, just simply select the pack that you would want to buy. For example, I want to buy the first one. Just select that, and after that, as soon as you click on it, you will be able to redirect to the payment method section, where you can select the payment method as per your choice other than your Brawl Pass, since you don't want to use that. So for example, you want to use your Paytm, your UPI, or your credit or debit card, you can simply go ahead and make the purchase happen through the different payment method options that are available in the Brawl Star currently. So this is basically how you will be able to get gems in your Brawl Star without Brawl Pass. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.